the sky, watching all the colors come alive, come alive. Everything you got, I can't get enough and I can't stop. Something starting, got me feeling new. Get on up, get ready now and move. Get ready, get ready. Yeah, going up, yeah. Yeah. Going up, yeah. Going up, yeah. Yeah. Woo, woo. Take me higher, higher. Take me higher, higher. Going up, yeah, going up, yeah. Yeah. Woo.
I know we've seen better days. Life is just a game we play. You hold tight to the world you know. The hardest part is letting go. Follow me to the sunshine. Come and see what it feels like. Higher, higher than we climb. I know somewhere that you and I we could stay why we could stay why we could stay we could stay wake up, don't miss your chance. Take off, get lost again. Young enough to change our luck. Laugh it off when times get tough. Follow me to the sunshine. Come and see what it feels like. Higher, higher than we climb. I know somewhere that you and we could stay why we could stay why we could stay we could stay away we go, away we go. Oh, don't think twice. Away we go, away we go. Oh, no, don't think twice. Follow me to the sunshine. Come and see what it feels like. higher, higher did we climb? I know somewhere that you and we could stay wild. We could stay wild. We could stay wild, wild.
Tell me why you hang up, or maybe what I need to do to keep you on the phone, so we can think this through. And I just wanna talk to you and give you every single reason why, but I can't get through. I can't get through to you. And the hardest part is waiting on the sun to come. So when you lay awake in bed tonight, I hope you think of all the times you left the conversation waiting for a chance that never came. And now you'll never get to see all the possibilities. Could have happened more tonight, but no, we'll wait till tomorrow. about the good stuff. Let's think about what makes us. And the hardest part is waiting